Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and this is my breakfast. So, I'm going to need all of this energy inside of me. So, that is orange marmalade. Now, this is the last of my orange marmalade that Maria Graham made and sent to me. Thank you, Maria. I've enjoyed every bit of it. Every bit of it. And of course, these are my fruits and this family. Jada made some cinnamon bread the other day. Well, yesterday. You see how much is left, right? So I've been enjoying it. Let me say that. I've been enjoying it, right? It is so good. This is just some butter, and this is a dragon fruit, some grapes, apples, and a mango. So of course, when I had this dragon fruit, I thought about our friend Jay, juicing with Jay. So I love this stuff, y'all. Now I love the red as well as the yellows. It's so good to me. Oh, oh yeah, she's really good. Good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. I need all this energy this morning because I'm gonna go out in the garden and I'm gonna drop some seeds, right? I'm gonna share with you all just some of my vegetables and how they're doing after all of that rain we had last night. Oh my goodness, it was a lot. But the only thing that was kind of bad, well, it was okay, is my broccoli romanesco. She is very tall, very big, and she was leaning over. But y'all know I staked that girl back up. I staked her back up. So she is fine. But anyway, guys, watch me, y'all. Watch me drop these seeds. Let's get on with the video. All right, family, I am in the garden, and today I want to drop some lettuce. But I see I have some plants growing in the soil. Yeah, they just reseeded themselves. That's what this is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and put them in a cup. So give me a minute here. So I'm going to take these little plants here. Let me get this here. Let me get them a nice little spot. There's two of them here. So I'm going to take one and drop her here. I don't know. She looked like celery. Well, it could be. We'll see, though. We'll see. So that's one. And I have another one here. Oh. All right, baby girl. All right. So, you got it. So now this is some coffee grounds I had. I just keep that in the kitchen, and I'm going to put that in the soil. Yeah, get that all together in there. And now we're going to just drop our lettuce. I'm just going to make a line in the middle just to give me my directions, Yeah. So this is my little bag that I have my daily seeds in. So I'm going to drop arugula, butter crunch, and yeah, that one. Four seasons. That is a botanical interest seed. Yeah, Marvel of Four Seasons. That's what it is. So I'm just going to drop all three in here. Yeah. Mhm. It was a cloudy, overcast day, but you know, I still went out and got it done. Yeah. All done, baby. All done. So I have a small container here, just a little cup. A little cup. And this is what I'm going to drop right here. Y'all see that? That is mullein. Now, I want to share this mullein with a couple of you all here. But before I share it, I want to make sure that these seeds are really cool. They look really, really good, but you know, I don't want to share something and they do not germinate for you guys, right? So you all seen what I did, right? Listen, I want you all to listen. There is no such thing as a black thumb, right, family? There's no such thing as that. God has placed all of the magic of dropping a seed and getting a harvest. He put that already in the soil. So there's no black thumb. Let no one tell you you have a black thumb, right? And in order to have a seed that grows, get you a valuable seed, drop it in the soil, and give her the nourishment she needs, like water and fertilizer, right? You can grow your own food. Don't let anybody tell you differently. And this is how easy it is. Because God does the rest, family. He does the rest. So this is my mullein. And my lettuce is dropped. Dorsha, I saw you purchase echinacea. Yeah, Dorsha. So I have some echinacea, but I'm going to drop them in the soil. I'm not going to put these in containers, but Dorsha, they are so amazing. But in this container, I'm going to drop this. And this is rosemary. I'm going to drop her back there. This is a botanical interest seed. And we're going to get it raw. See, this is how many botanical interest seeds come. They come in these little packs, right? That's cool. We're going to little vacuum pack. So the kids are getting out of school. And the school is like one block over from me. So I can hear, man, I can hear their thoughts. I tell you. Plant here, and there's another one here. This is arugula, baby. That's arugula growing in a Katrina brick cell. And she's doing really good, y'all. Really good. And all of this is cosmos. They just reseeded themselves. They just dropped their seeds in this bed. I'm going to take some of them out, but I love the cosmos. They're really, really, really beautiful. I do love them, so I'm going to leave some, but yeah, look at them, y'all. That's a lot. I do have some carrots in here. I don't know about these carrots, but we're going to take this one up. Boom, carrot baby. Yeah. Let's see, there's another one here. Carrots. I got carrots. Let's see, is there another one? Oh, there's another one, but I don't think she's ready. She's still small. We're gonna let her stay. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring these in. This is gonna be part of dinner, baby. Dinner. So I'm gonna drop these seeds here. This is the lettuce leaf basil. That's what this is. She's big leaves on this plant, and yeah, I'm gonna drop her right here in this container. But this is some parsley. I dropped this a while ago, and she's doing great out here. So let me get into this pack and drop these seeds, y'all. This is my growing out the box bed, and look at that, y'all. Y'all see that? So there's a lot of them coming up. You know, every now and then I see one or two. There's one there. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I see it. I don't want to move too fast. There's another one right here. So yeah, they're coming up, baby. They're coming up. So I was looking at my little lemon tree to see if the wind and all that hard rain knocked a lot of the lemons off, but a lot of them is still holding on, y'all. She's still holding on. Yeah, they still, it's a lot of them. And listen, you know, when you have a lot of, don't expect you're gonna get them all, right? No, because that won't happen. But, you know, it'll be all right. It will be all right. Yeah, they're doing good though. So check out this. This is by the stump of the tree, and you can see all of these mushrooms and fungi growing all over this stump. But look at this, y'all. I mean, big mushrooms, fluffy looking mushroom. But I'm not an expert at mushrooms. So what do I do with these? Absolutely nothing. I don't touch them. I don't do anything. They look beautiful, but I'm not an expert at mushrooms, so I do not bother them at all. Yeah. But they are beautiful. Yeah, especially those big fluffy ones over there. And I usually have some growing in here, but I don't see any in here today. Yeah. But that's the mushrooms. Just an update on my onions. These are my Creole onions. And as you can see, they're doing really good. They're doing really good. These are the Creoles. Now, there's some Texas sweets in this bed, but the majority of the onions in here is the Creole, right? And this is the Texas sweets, and yeah, they're doing really good. Really good. Yeah. Cool beans. Now, in this container, as you can see, I just have little stuff going on. Yeah, these are milkweeds, but these are sugar beets. This one, and that one are sugar beets. Yeah. And my white potatoes. Yeah, they're doing really good. But let me share something else with you. Those white potatoes are really doing good. So I went down by my favorite nursery, Rose Garden Center, and I picked up more potatoes, right? And so I'm going to drop these potatoes in a grow bag. I'll share with you the grow bag, all right? I'm not ready to drop them yet, but I'm going to share it with you. I drop my potatoes in this bag. It have this little flap that comes up, and I'm going to drop those potatoes in this grow bag, and we'll see what they do. So this is my grow table here. As a matter of fact, listen, y'all, they sat out here last night in all that rain, and they were good. They were good. So here I have one sweet potato. I split her in half and she's growing. I just have her sitting in this soil. She's growing. But the one in the kitchen is so much more beautiful, but you know, I'm gonna let her take her time. So this is the baps where my potatoes are, and this is another container I have, and I'm gonna drop collards in here. Yeah, collard greens gonna be right here. Garlic is in the baps, and she's doing good. They're doing good. Yep. These two beds will be full of tomatoes. This is where I will plant all of my tomatoes in both of these beds. Nothing but tomatoes, y'all. Yay. So I'm over here now by the post office. So yeah, I was supposed to be over here like Monday, but you know, things happen. So I'm here today. I'm gonna run in here in the post office and I'll be back. All right. So this is the post office, and I'm going running here, and I will be back. Yeah.